If you want to up your mood and emotions, start by improving your gut health. To improve gut health starts by choosing healthy food alternatives plus food-grade essential oils. In this video, I'll show you how to make a traditional Italian salad with a zesty Italian dressing recipe. Both are super delicious for any day of the year. Let's get started by filling our bowl with fresh baby greens, add cut red onions, cooked shredded chicken, cut grape tomatoes, sliced pepperoncinis, and pitted black olives. Then we're going to put it aside and go to our dressing. In a blender bowl, add a cup of olive oil, a third a cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of non-dairy Parmesan cheese finely grated, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and then 10 drops of lemon essential oil, 2 drops rosemary essential oil, plus 2 drops black pepper essential oil. All are good for digestion. Then we're going to turn on the blender and blend until smooth. Now it's ready to serve. Wonderful salad and a delicious zesty Italian dressing. Remember that a healthy gut and mind begins with what goes in your mouth each and every day, and this is a great salad to start with. Get the oils you need in the comments, like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.